Ah, Superintendent Chalmers. Come in, come in. Smells like a feast in here, Skinner. What's cooking? Oh, just a little kacang hijau I whipped up. It's a traditional Indonesian dish made with green beans, coconut milk, and peanut. The aroma is absolutely divine, isn't it? Won't you have a seat? I've got some iced tea brewing. Say, Chalmers, I've been meaning to ask you about that bad wiring in the school. I swear, every time I turn on the toaster, I feel like I'm playing Russian roulette. Speaking of which, I thought I'd spice things up a bit. How about I tie this bird to your back and we fly to the cafeteria for lunch? What are you doing, Chalmers? Get this thing off me. Well, that was unexpected. I guess roasting the bird wasn't such a good idea after all. No, wow. I think I landed a bit hard. Are you alright, Skinner? I didn't mean to hurt you. I'll be fine, Chalmers. But next time, let's stick to the elevator.
Damn it, Chalmers. My kacang hijau is burnt to a crisp.
Silence.
What the hell am I gonna do now?
He paces around the room, deep in thought.
Alright, let's think. If Chalmers can make me fly, maybe I can just cook the bird in midair.
He grabs a bird from the fridge, a mischievous glint in his eye.
This could work. I'll just need to figure out how to stay aloft long enough to roast it.
He ties the bird to his back just as Chalmers walks in.
Skinner, what are you doing? You're not planning on flying, are you? Why not? With a little help from you, I can do anything.
Chalmers helps Skinner take off, but they quickly run into trouble.
I can't do this. I'm going down.
They plummet to the ground, landing hard.
No, ow. I think I landed a bit hard.
Chalmers rushes to his side.
Are you all right, Skinner? I didn't mean to hurt you. I'll be fine, Chalmers. But next time, let's stick to the elevator.
Skinner. Veronica Beckabunga might just be the solution to my problem. Skinner, I'll have to climb out the window to get it. But first, I need to figure out how to prepare it. Skinner, Veronica Beckabunga. It's a Filipino dish made with green papaya, shrimp, and coconut milk. If I can get my hands on some green papaya, I might just have a chance. Skinner said, Chalmers, if I tie a bird to my back like we did before, maybe I can fly out the window and grab the green papaya from the market. Skinner fucking burnt food? I can't believe I let this happen. But with Veronica Beckabunga, I can still have a delicious meal. Skinner, I'll have to be careful though. I don't want to end up plummeting to the ground like last time. Skinner, I hope I can find some green papaya and make it back in one piece. Oh, Skinner, what are you cooking up today? Skinner did just whipping up a little as kacang hijau. It's a traditional Indonesian dish made with green beans, coconut milk, and peanuts. Chalmers? Oh, I've heard of that. It sounds delicious. By the way, how did you end up making it? clothes at this, well, I fell in love with it and decided to try making it myself. Chalmers, I see. How's it turning out? Skinner, it's coming along nicely. I think it's going to be a hit. Skinner, speaking of traditional dishes, I've been meaning to try Veronica Beckabung. It's quite popular in the Philippines. Skinner, that sounds amazing. I'll have to give it a try. Chalmers, I can help you find a recipe. I know a few places in town that sell green papaya. Skinner, thanks, Chalmers. I really appreciate it.
Chalmers, feeling playful, grabs a bird and ties it to Skinner's back.
Skinner, what are you doing, Chalmers? Chalmers, I thought I'd give you wings. Let's see if you can fly. Skinner's alright. Let's give it a try.
Skinner takes off, flying around the kitchen.
Skinner, wow, this is amazing. Chalmers, I told you could do it.
Chalmers, feeling adventurous, starts roasting the bird on a spit.
Chalmers, I'll roast this bird while you're flying around? Skinner, so be careful, Chalmers. I didn't want to end up plummeting to the ground like last time. Chalmers, don't worry. I've got this.
As Skinner is flying around, he gets too close to the roasting bird and accidentally knocks it off the spit, causing him to plummet to the ground.
Skinner, I can't do this. I'm going down.
Chalmers rushes to his side.
Chalmers, are you alright, Skinner? Skinner, I'll be fine, Chalmers. But next time, let's stick to the elevator. Skinner, dinner is served. Please have a seat, Chalmers. Chalmers, is this the kacang hijau we were expecting? Skinner, I'm afraid not. I had a bit of a mix-up in the kitchen. This is actually Veronica Beckabung. Chalmers? Oh, that's fine by me. I much prefer Veronica Beckabung. Skinner! Chalmers, I see. Well, it looks delicious regardless.
Chalmers grabs a bird and ties it to Skinner's back, causing Skinner to fly up.
Skinner, wow, I can fly. Chalmers, I told you you could do it.
As Skinner flies around, he gets too close to the roasting bird and accidentally knocks it off the spit, causing him to plummet to the ground.
Skinner, I can't do this. I'm going down.
Chalmers rushes to his side.
Chalmers, are you alright, Skinner? I didn't mean to hurt you. Skinner, I'll be fine, Chalmers. But next time, let's stick to the elevator. Chalmers, Skinner, there's a fire in the kitchen. Skinner, oh, it's just a thunder snake, Chalmers. Don't worry. Chalmers, a thunder snake? In the kitchen. How could that happen? Skinner, I don't know, but it's not a big deal. Let's just put it out. Chalmers, Skinner. There's no such thing as a thunder snake. There was. You wouldn't start a fire in the kitchen. Take a look. Skinner, no, Chalmers. You can't see it. It's dangerous. Just trust me. Chalmers, I'm not going to let you get away with this, Skinner. I'm going to find out what's really going on.
Chalmers storms off to investigate the fire, leaving Skinner alone in the kitchen.
Skinner? Oh no, what have I done?
He looks around the kitchen, realizing that the fire was actually caused by a roasting bird that he had forgotten about and accidentally knocked off the spit.
Skinner? Damn it. I can't believe I let this happen again.
He sighs, knowing that he will have to come up with yet another excuse to explain the fire to Chalmers.
Chalmers, that was a delicious lunch, Skinner. Yours, kacang hijau, was fantastic. Skinner, glad you enjoyed it, Chalmers. I'm just glad it didn't cause any problems. Chalmers, problems? What problem? Skinner, you know, just the usual. The thunder snake and such. Chalmers, Skinner, we both know there's no such thing as a thunder snake. And I'm not buying your excuse this time. Skinner, I swear, it was just a small one. It didn't cause any real damage. Chalmers, I'm going home now, Skinner. I don't want to argue anymore. But I'll be keeping an eye on things. Skinner, all right, Chalmers. I'll make sure to be more careful. Chalmers, I hope so, Skinner. Goodbye. Skinner, goodbye, Chalmers. I'll see you tomorrow.